M0FXB, welcome back to my videos on the Radtel RT-950. Just want to show you the preset buttons. So just as a, from default, you can press and hold all these buttons, and we're going to show you what functions appear. But you've also got programmable buttons on the side and a couple of big PTT buttons here. Now the 950, this is the non-pro model, does still have Bluetooth programming and GPS, APRS. And it will actually receive the CB band. It just won't receive upper side band, lower side band in radio mode. But anyway, let me just press and hold these buttons. I'll quickly show you. Look, ABC here, ABC. Watch, and it's highlighted red. And we're in all memory mode there, so you can press VM. Frequency mode. You can see. So now we can type. When it says frequency mode, you're allowed to type in a frequency. Basically VFO mode, yeah, and so that's nice that we can do that. Now if you just press and hold the number 1, it takes you straight into the ability to turn off the GPS. The red arrow is the back button. Press and hold 2. Okay, AM FM, receive modulation, and remember we have got up and down arrows as well, and right and left arrows, which are not used in this case, but up and down for changing the frequency, as well as the middle turning knob, and then the first knob is which is unusually on the left for volume and on off. So let's press number 3. That's your squelch level. So if you're getting a lot of interference, just bring that up to a higher number. Press and hold 4. Stand by set. Now what does that do? Stand by set. I'll look into that one. Number 5. Transmit and receive CT, CSS, DCS. You tend to use transmit CT, CSS. Press OK, which is the menu, and then on my node it will be 77 up and down, and then OK. That's it. So if we go 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 0, now it should activate my node on the C band. No, it's transmitting on the. Let's see if we can get it to transmit on the C band. That's an interesting. Do we have to set a button for that? So on the B, and we'll go to VFO. 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 0, and we'll hit the B. Yeah, that's working fine. And let's hold down the number 7. Offset. So if you're going to put in your shift or a repeater, you'd have to type in 0, 0. Let's try 0, 600, and then select it. I would say you probably have to do 3 zeros on that. So let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 6, 0, 0. That makes more sense. Back up, and then 8. Plus and minus shift repeaters. 9. A and B, that's the repeater mode. So it will you'll key up on, say, 2 meters, and it will transmit on whatever frequency you've got here. So it's like a repeater, which I've seen a video of that working. Did we do 9? Yeah, that's what we just did. Back. Then star. If you just press it briefly, it starts to scan, doesn't it? No, in the end, it's doing the tone. It's turning the tone on and off. Reverse. Press and hold it. It starts to scan, and it will scan in memory channels or VFO. And you can set the step for the gaps. Press and hold 0. We get the spectrum. Parameters are here. You've got some settings you can change by the looks of it. The step and times 64. Let's press this. 833. Yeah, and it does have 833. Let's try the up and down. Oh, look at that. You can bring down. That's almost like a visual squelch. That's good, isn't it? I'll go left and right. Nothing there. Just seeing if we can change that 64 figure, because if we that it'll back out. Yeah, I thought so. Just try a few other buttons. It's letting you put in the frequency. Try the hash. There it goes. See that 64, 32. I would say that's the span of the scope. And you can do it in airband, so it will look pretty good. So to set the buttons on the side, press the menu. Ooh, turn it down. And then we're going to go, keep going. That's why I use the right and left now, because of the this menu structure. Use a key, select OK. And PF2, select, and you've got, I'm on Beacon TX. These are all different shortcuts you can have. And you go back, and then you've got the long press. Same again, and the Beacon TX is definitely in PF2. The other thing I would say is all the buttons can be reset when you go into that user-defined buttons. It does actually give you the ability to set all these buttons as well. PTT. I took off the sticker here because I found there was a better connection for the programming cable, which is the same as the Alien's HD1 and HUV. Bluetooth there as well. So yeah, that's it. I just thought more just showing you the different, the different button options that you get. Bye for now.